Okay, we have the seized and impound vehicle auction for the city of New Westminster down here in New Westminster. We've got a bunch of vehicles. The auction is online, closing on February the 15th, 2022. Not everything you see in these videos, of course, the video will be included in the auction, but you know, the ones I'm focusing on are, of course, this BMW is. There's no keys with it though, so but I will take a little wander around it. A few marks and scratches. Couldn't even get inside to take a look inside. Everything sells as is, where is. We have no information about the vehicles. There's one of them here that of course has a motor vehicle inspection required, and that's mentioned in the description. You know, vehicle status should be mentioned in the description also, but sometimes that's missed. So buyer beware. Here's one here that's needs a little bit of repair. Needs less repair if you look at it from the other side. Needs a lot of repair from this corner, but you know, I mean, that's just the way it is. That one might have keys inside. We couldn't get in. I couldn't crawl inside to take a look, but probably has no keys. Here's a little Mazda Tribute. Of course, everything inside comes with the vehicle. This one's filled. 4 flat tires and a bunch of stuff inside. No keys though. Mazda Tribute. Pickup truck beside it's included in the auction. Ford F-150. I believe that one has keys. Yes, extra cab, 4-wheel drive. Well, maybe it's not a 4-wheel drive. It doesn't say so. Just looks like it's a 4-wheel drive, so don't know. That's why we have an viewing and inspection day. You come down here, take a look yourself. You determine the condition of the vehicle. You bid on the vehicle. You pay for the vehicle. You come and transfer the vehicle, and then you pick it up. Nissan Maxima or Altima, I believe. All of them are selling online, bcsurplus.com. February the 15th. Just gonna do a little walk by here, back to that BMW. There is a couple of motorcycles. I'm not gonna do a walk around the motorcycles because they're put away inside the container, but everything on that far side there is also included in the auction, and all the way down that side there. So sale is on February the 15th on bcsurplus.com. Everything's sold as is, where is.